Okay, so I saw a question in the private Facebook group about Mega Builder. And the question was, let's go back to it. Simple question. If we're in the Mega Builder software and go to sites, then open the folders for the funnels and we choose a funnel, we go to settings and select the domain. Can we then select a different path or change the URL path so it's not so long with a bunch of numbers without messing anything up? All right, so let's just stop right there and let's go back to the builder. I've started most of the process that the question started off with. I've gone to the section where we have the different sites and funnels. Just for all intents and purposes, let's go back to it, right? Let's go back to this one and let's just go here, add a domain to it again, right? Then go to save. All right, now I can see that long extension right there. So this is what I'm going to do. It says view page. All right, it goes to the Magick link, that one. And let's go into there and let me just URL step. I'm just going to delete it. And press update step. And if it messes something up, we're not really using that for anything right now. We have so many other options, but let's see. Should be able to go right there. No problem at all. So you can definitely delete whatever is at the end of the URL. Or where you would go into the settings right there, you would go to the step URL. I can change this if I wanted to change that, obviously, and update the steps again. Of course, if you change the wording on here, make sure that you put the dashes in between just so that it separates the words, and that's for SEO purposes. Just to make sure if you're doing SEO that Google or whatever search engine, it's optimized to recognize the words Magick, link, squeeze. So as you can see, it works. So hopefully this video right here has been helpful to someone, whoever's been or needs the answer to the question of, can you change basically the extension on your domain name when it comes to the Mega Builder? So the answer to that question is yes, you can.